another PhD, my 8th one this time.
8?
Yeah.
Oh, hey there, guys. Welcome back to The Tonight Show.
I am Sam Boltman. My guest tonight, Kyle Manning, my partner on the IoT project for MEGR 3171. Kyle, tell us a little bit about your work with Particle.
So, my PhD in particle physics started...
Particle Argon.
Oh, my bad, sorry. So, for MEGR 3171, we had to make a particle argon project to solve some problem in life and use 2 particle argon boards to achieve bidirectional communication.
That's fascinating. I believe you brought a clip with you today?
I did, in fact.
Let's roll the clip.
Wait, they can only see us from waist up, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, good. So our washing machine does not notify the user when the cycle is complete. So, if you'll come in here.
I will.
The way this washer works is each light comes on sequentially as the cycle runs, going from fill to soak to wash, etc. So the last light to turn on is spin cycle. And we know that once spin light turns off, then the cycle is done. So the way we set up the argon is whenever it sees just the spin light come on and then back off, it triggers the argon to send notifications.
So before washing your clothes, you know what? Get in here, I'll show you how it's done. We need to calibrate our photosensor. If there's any ambient light in the room, it may set off the photosensor, and then we get false notifications, and no one wants that. So the first step, after you set up your board connected with your photosensor right over the light that you want to be monitoring, you need to figure out how you can turn that light on and off without the washing machine running in order to do your calibration. So for us, we're just turning this knob back and forth. So after you figure that out, the next step is you have your argon set up, plug it into power. You'll start getting the green light that it's connecting to Wi-Fi. You just wait and watch the D7 LED. It's gonna blink once, then go off, and that's when you have your light off. Then when it comes back on, twice, you turn your light on. It's taking the readings, and it had just blinked 3 times. That means it's calibrated. So now, you're ready to start doing your washing. Let's get to it. So we've been doing laundry about 45 minutes. We know that it's almost done. So we come in here. Notice my D7 LED is off. We'll get to that later. But if you watch that spin light, the last light in there, we may have to time lapse here because we don't have this time exactly right. So the spin light is off, the laundry just finished. So I'll grab the camera from Kyle. My argon is processing that info. It's sending it to Kyle's argon.
And now my argon knows that the light went from on to off. So it should be notifying us via GroupMe. And there we go. Notification from GroupMe, laundry's done. So now both Sam and I know that our laundry's done. And then if we come back in the laundry room, Sam's D7 LED is now on, which signifies that the other argon received and published a new event acknowledging that everything was completed, and now we know laundry's done here too. So the argon also exports data to Google Sheets. So as you see here, on the left we have every instance that it happened, so it tells you the date and the time. And then we have a function that finds every unique instance within the list and sums the number of times it occurs. So this allows us to graph on a bar graph the date. So you see on November the 19th, we had 3 cycles, 21st, we had 1 cycle, and so on. And this will keep updating with live data as the project continues.